Picture yourself in the 2022 Hyundai Santa Fe. Relax and enjoy the road trip in this convenient, well-equipped Santa Fe. Crossover versatility, striking looks, the latest infotainment and safety tech, and a spacious, comfortable cabin are yours in this stylish, family-focused SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, remote engine start, satellite radio, backup camera, heated mirrors. Rest assured, your Santa Fe has everything you need to make excursions convenient, comfortable, and confident. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.